I just showed you how to make a very simple video ad using Canva, which you can then import into LinkedIn. Now I'm going to show you a real-world example of an ad that I used. And what we did was take some stock photography of a very short video loop of this person in an office with a dog. Added a little bit of text, added a little bit of logo, and basically produced a video in a matter of minutes for an ad. And this is what it looks like. There's no important sound effects or anything. It's just very simple animation. So you can see it's very, very simple. We're starting with the problem. Tired of typing tedious medical records. And then there's a bit of agitation while your patients and family wait. So there's some pressure added there. It's not just that you're doing this tedious task, but it's also that other people are adding pressure to the situations. There's patients waiting, your family wants you to get home on time. And the solution. Try the #1 dictation software for free. So before I was talking about how you can use a more elaborate version of the framework and you can provide proof. So the proof in this case is not in the video itself, but it's in the text, which I will show you in just a moment. Very, very simple ad. You can see there's some movement here, but there's nothing super elaborate here. You need to create a blockbuster Hollywood video. Now, let's see how this actually looks in LinkedIn. Now, this particular video was repurposed and used for Twitter. It can also be used for Facebook ads. You can get economies of scale when you create simple videos like this beyond just the LinkedIn ads. So when you import the video, it looks like this. And you can see at the bottom, there is a call to action to sign up. Now, the end result of this video was quite impressive. We generated signups for about $28, and the video is just 8 seconds long. We're starting the text here with spending too much time on medical records. So again, just providing more detail about what the problem is, and providing more detail as well as to the solution. Did you know speaking is 5 times faster than typing? Why not try a dictation app for veterinarians? Try Talkadoo, free, no credit card required, needed. So what I'm doing is I'm addressing the objections to the solution. And the first objection might be that it's going to cost something. No, it's free. And the second objection, well, maybe it doesn't cost anything, but I need to provide my credit card information. No, you don't need to. And then I go through here a list of reasons that address key objections. And how do I know what the objections are? I asked on Quora, and I said, why wouldn't a veterinarian use this type of software? So one by one, I'm addressing them. Guaranteed to work with your practice management software. No special hardware needed. You don't need any to train your voice. Your accent will be fine. I'm providing evidence of one of the benefits here, which is cutting your documentation time in half. I have a quotation. Another concern will be, okay, the product is not accurate. Okay, I'm saying it's very accurate. It understands medical vocabulary, easy to install and use. It's not going to be overly complicated. And another benefit I'm outlining here is it eases the strain on your hands. So I have a mix here. It's not just addressing objections to the offer, which is the free trial, but I'm also adding in a few benefits that maybe aren't apparent immediately. And then I'm concluding with some proof, some social proof. Talkadoo is a game changer, and this is from an industry insider. Now, the call to action below the video is I'm using square brackets. There's a lot of evidence to suggest that when you're doing something like a video ad on YouTube or on LinkedIn, brackets are something people very much pay attention to. So I'm putting the call to action in there. Try veterinary dictation. I'm customizing it. I'm saying this is especially for you. It's not just any dictation software. Sign up to use Talkadoo. I'm adding some energy, and then I'm reiterating the key objections here. Free, no credit card need, and then you hit sign up. You're brought to a form that is embedded in LinkedIn to sign up for the free trial. So you don't even need to leave LinkedIn after you watch the video to try the software. And that reduces a lot of the friction that happens when people are required to go to a landing page or a website. The website takes forever to load, and they end up having significant drop-off. I fixed that by embedding the form within LinkedIn itself.